In a busy restaurant, a failing refrigerator can cost you thousands in lost inventory. If your under-counter unit feels warm but the lights and display still work, you may be dealing with a faulty main control board. Welcome to PartsFe. This component acts as the brain of the appliance, coordinating cooling and defrost cycles. The most common cause of failure is voltage fluctuations or power surges, which can quickly damage sensitive electronics. Over time, continuous operation and thermal stress also contribute to wear, as components like capacitors and relays gradually degrade, leading to inconsistent performance. Before you begin, safety is critical. Always unplug the unit or switch off the circuit breaker. High-voltage capacitors can still hold a dangerous charge, even after the power is off. Use extreme caution and wear safety goggles to protect yourself. Now, locate the electronics. On this dual-temperature model, the main PCB is behind the front cover, not at the rear. Remove the screws securing the front bottom grill. Once removed, look toward the right-hand side near the compressor. The main PCB is housed inside a protective box. Do not confuse it with the smaller display board behind the control panel. Once located, take a clear photo of all wire connections. This will be your reference during reinstallation. Carefully unplug each wire harness by releasing the locking tabs. Remove any clips securing the board, then take out the faulty component. Next, install the new control board. Snap it into place securely. If using an updated part, make sure the 13-pin harness clicks firmly into position. Using your reference photo, reconnect all wires exactly as before. Reinstall the housing and front grille, then restore power to the unit. Finally, monitor the temperature over the next 24 to 48 hours to confirm stable operation. This simple repair can restore your equipment and help prevent costly inventory loss. For trusted commercial kitchen equipment parts in the USA and Canada, visit PartsFe and follow us for more expert appliance repair tips. Thanks for watching.